Here's how to fix Western Union login block. So the first thing that you're going to do, if your Western Union account has been logged in block, go ahead and go to the Western Union application, and from the Western Union application, go ahead and press on the login options. Once you have already pressed on the login options, you can now go ahead and see there the main dashboard of the Western Union, and then go ahead and click on the profile icon located at the top right, and then from there go ahead and click on the security questions and make sure that there are no any security options that makes your application has been blocked. Now, if it's still not working, here's how to actually contact the customer support for you to be able to help and assist you with it. First, you can go to Google Safari or any browser that you have and search for Western Union Customer Service, and you will be redirected to their hotline or to their website where you can go ahead and have a live chat with an agent. So as you can see, you can go ahead and click on Chat with Us. And once you click on the Chat with Us options, you will be able to see there the AI agent, or you can ask them for a live agent to assist you. You can also go ahead and track the transfer or anything that has been solved to your problem. Next is you can go ahead and give them a call, and a live agent will assist you through phone assist. You can dial this using your phone or any device that you have. Next is you have to make sure that you have turned on your Wi-Fi connection to avoid experiencing this kind of problems.